Truly Free Home's Odor and Stain Eliminator is a powerful, non-toxic 2-in-1 cleaner that eliminates even the strongest odors and most stubborn stains from a variety of fabrics and surfaces. While other products may simply cover up smells, our Odor and Stain Eliminator uses natural enzymes to break down and remove odors at the source. Plus, it tackles even the toughest messes, all without damaging ingredients or toxic chemical fragrances. Your first order comes with a forever bottle. To get started, simply fill the bottle with warm to hot water to the fill line, add 1 refill pouch, and top it off with more water. Then, tighten the sprayer securely and shake it up. Now you're ready to clean and freshen your gym bag, pets' messes on carpets, couches, and so much more. For best results, let it sit for 15 seconds before wiping or washing and allow it to dry. Be sure to add Odor and Stain Eliminator refills to your next Truly Free Home shipment. The more items in your box, the more you save.